10 minus 10 times 10 minus 10, which equals how much? Are you ready to solve the correct answer of this expression? Let's get started, okay? 10 minus 10, which equals 0. Here is 10 minus 10, which equals 0. Then 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction, okay? Therefore, in this expression, there is one subtraction here, one multiplication, another subtraction here. According to PEMDAS, this multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction or this subtraction, okay? If we do this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, 10 times 10, which equals 100, okay? Then here, 10 minus 100 minus 10. If there is two subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right, okay? Therefore, 10 minus 100, which equals negative 19. Negative 19 minus 10, which equals negative 100, okay? Negative 100. This is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the final answer of this problem equals to negative 100. Follow the above step and calculate the correct answer of this expression. 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9, okay? Follow the above step and find the correct answer of this expression and write your answer on the comment section, okay? So I am waiting there. Thank you.